Hello guys, today we will learn about context API. So let's start. First of all, we have to create a Vite application. Open your VS Code and write this command npm create Vite at the rate latest. Now let's install Vite application. Now let's install Tailwind CSS. Copy this command and paste here. After that, copy this import and import in vite.config.js and add here tailwind css. Now remove app.css file, remove temporary code in jsx file and write here hello and import tailwind.css. Paste here. Now start your Vite application. So write here npm run dev and check into create a UI. To create a so write class right here width is green, height green and flex. Justify Justify center p20 p20 that write a div and add here h1 tag right here. This is light and dark theme toggle. Write this and let's create a button. This is change theme. Let's check in browser. This is my application. So I want to create a UI px before bg bg transparent rounded lg shadow border and create a button design class bg black text white text base px4 py2 rounded lg. So I want to make some space between the text. Add here class mb2 copy paste here. Also write here p2. Now it's looking good and I want to increase its font size. So text 3xl will be and font semi bold. Nice. Now let's configure context API. So open src folder, create a context folder and create a file theme context.jsx and create a context file. So right here export const theme context equal to create context. Now create a provider. So right here const theme provider equal to, and it's take a props children, create arrow function, right here return, and right here theme context provider and value right here children. So let's create a state with theme and set theme. So here we will have theme, set theme, state, and right here light. And let's create a toggle function which is toggle light, which is toggle between light and dark. So right here const toggle theme and create arrow function. Set theme previous, if previous equal to light, if previous equal to light, then it will change, change. It will convert to dark. And if it is already dark, then it will convert into light. Now let's create a value object, and right here theme toggle theme, and export this function. Now let's configure theme provider in main.js. So right here theme provider, we successfully create context API. Now let's use into app.jsx. So right here const theme toggle theme and use context API and theme context, and we will click on click, we will add a on click button, and right here toggle theme. And change now let's change the UI after clicking change theme button. So cut this and right here backtick, and right here dollar, and right theme is equal to dark, then bg will be dark, will be black, gray 900, and text white. Otherwise bg white and text black. And also right here dollar, if theme is equal to dark, so bg will be white and text will be black. Otherwise, the black and text white. Now let's check it is worked or not. So refresh this and click here. It is working successfully. Okay, you can check. If I click here, then it will convert into light mode, and I click again, it will convert into dark mode.